Today we've got the, I mean, I'll start back because I have it in my throat. I go, What's going on, people? Welcome back to another episode of The Cleanup here on Automotive Art TV.
Another one.
Today we're back with another Stoner car care product from their invisible glass line called Clean and Repel. In case you didn't know, and don't nerd out on detailing like I do, Stoner car care is known worldwide to be one of the top glass cleaning and glass product manufacturers. Their stuff is next level. Level up, level up, level up. And this Clean and Repel is not going to disappoint. We got the BMW M3 back in again today. We've made sure to tape up so you can see I'm going to clean this side of the glass with the Stoner Clean and Repel, and we're going to leave that side dirty so that we can demonstrate to you guys not only the cleaning power of this Stoner Clean and Repel, also how well it repels water. So in this Clean and Repel formula, they've got things that help with water repelling. I'll say formula. Includes stuff, our products, not products, our... So what separates Stoner's Clean and Repel from your average glass cleaner is the fact that it has ingredients in it to help add a nice hydrophobic layer to your glass. Now basically what that means is that water is gonna fall on the glass and bead up and run off a lot quicker than it normally would. So this helps the surface not only make it easier to clean, which is ideal, but it also helps create a safer environment. So you can use this on any part of your glass. It's safe for tint use as well, so don't have to worry about that. But you'll see after we apply this to this half of the glass, how the huge difference in water beading and sheeting that you'll get on the treated side versus the non-treated side. So with all that said, I've got some clean microfiber towels here, and this product is dead easy to apply.
That ain't nothing, I'll clean it for you.
Please make sure that you're doing this when the glass is at least cool. It doesn't obviously have to be clean, but at least make sure the glass is cool to the touch. Don't do this out in the sun. It makes it a bit more difficult to handle. So you can just apply, it comes out in a nice foam. Apply a generous amount to the glass, and the nice thing again with this formulation is that it's streak free. I do not recommend you guys try to use a paper towel or some old newspaper to clean the glass. It's always best to use a microfiber. You can see already that like I've effortlessly just in 10 seconds, I'll flip to a dry side and just give it another pass. I've cleaned this entire half of my glass. It's perfect, there's no streaks, and it is treated now and good to go.
Y'all see that?
We've treated it, the left side, well, my left. I'm gonna now go ahead and just spray some water on the back so that you guys can see the difference that this product really makes in terms of, obviously, like, you know, most glass cleaners will do their job and clean glass. But with the addition of the repellents in this formula, you'll really see the water behavior on the glass now between the two sides. So I'll go ahead and start spraying. You can see like this, my hand is wet, but this glass is dry to the touch, and you can notice, and the water just beads and sheets off of that surface so perfectly. Works really, really well. So it's just a nice added, not only cleaning factor, because now it makes your car easier to clean. It's less resistant to water. So when water does fall on the treated glass, it will just bead off and won't leave as much water spots, making it easier to clean. But it's that added layer of safety. You know, you've got your family in the car and you're going down the road and it's heavy rain. Having your windscreen treated with a repellent like this, a water repellent, and increasing that beading and sheeting of the water is going to make sure that your visibility and stuff is not affected. So all around, really, really great product. Can't beat it. I highly recommend you guys give it a try. And yeah, let us know where I go from here. That's going to be it for this Stoner Invisible Glass Clean and Repel.
That's some heavy shit, man.
Like any of the Stoner products, you can find this in all of our stores: Wildy, Welch's, Six Roads, and Simpson Express. I highly recommend you guys give this a shot. I promise that you'll love it. And if you don't, comment on this video and let's have a fight on the internet about why you don't like it. I've been Jeremy. That's episode 4 of The Cleanup, and I'll catch you in the next one.